Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device Realme GT Neo 3 5G. So if you are having an issue related to the ringtone, or you want to change it, or you want to do any type of settings of the device, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And now follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn how you can solve the ringtone issue in your device. Let's watch the video.